Okay, welcome to DPF Guys. We are back, and I realize it's been too long since we've done a video, and we've got some really exciting stuff planned for you. But what I'd like to do is give you a tour of the studio so you can see what's going on behind the scenes, and then talk a little bit more about what's coming up, and hopefully entice you to subscribe to the channel so that anything new that's coming here, you will not miss. So I want to quick give you a backstage tour, and then we'll chat for about 30 seconds, and I can get the heck out of here. But hang tight. Let me show you what's going on. We're going back on the air, and I would like to give you a tour of the studio so you can see behind the scenes and see what all the equipment is. So check it out. Here we go. So this is where we're going to be recording these videos. We've got some pretty cool stuff, like we have our Clean Air Fleet additive, and I will be able to do some reaction videos. Of course, Clean Air Fleet, we'll talk about that. And we have our complete lighting set up here, all hung comfortably from the ceiling. And of course we have our camera and our main camera behind the teleprompter and all of the equipment to run everything, including...
Come on, Craig. Pleased to meet you.
So there you go. I'm really looking forward to getting back on the air and putting this equipment through the paces and making some awesome content for all of you guys. All right, so there you have it. And so we have the ability for me to do some reaction videos to YouTube. I was just watching the upcoming weather issues.
There'll be a little bit of light cold rain back over in Texas and southern Oklahoma, and then the beginning of our winter weather.
So there you go. Welcome to the studio. I was glad to give you a backstage tour, and hopefully you will be on the other side of the camera here watching all the cool stuff that we are working on in the background, Harper and myself, and with our team, Cyrus and Nicole and Craig and Jeannie. Shout out to all of you for all you do to get us successful here. And please, if you have any questions, anything you want us to cover, any specific stuff, we're open to suggestions. So hit us up, leave me a comment, give us a call or a text, 404-999-1361. We're here for you. And that's really about it. See you soon.